Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through one of those small but powerful skills that can really improve your workflow in Notion, rounding numbers with formulas. Whether you're managing budgets, tracking metrics, or just tidying up your data, understanding how to round numbers using Notion's built-in functions is a must. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use the round, floor, and seal functions to organize your database with precision and ease. Let's jump right in. First, open up Notion and navigate to the sidebar where your profile picture is. Look just to the side of your profile and find the drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the database you'd like to work with. If you haven't created one yet, now's a great time. Just add a new database to follow along with me. Once you're in your chosen database, let's start by giving it a descriptive name. You can click right at the top where it says Untitled and type in something clear like rounding example or whatever suits your project. Naming your databases is more important than you'd think. It helps you keep things organized, especially when you jump between different workspaces or share with teammates. Next up, let's add our example numbers. Click the plus button to add a new property to your table. This is how you add new columns in Notion. Choose number as the property type. For this demonstration, let's add some sample data. Type in 3.4 in one row and 3.6 in another. These aren't just random choices. They're perfect for seeing the differences between the three rounding methods we're about to use. Now, let's do the magic with formulas. Click the plus again to add a new property, but this time select Formula. In the formula editor, type round number. Here, number refers to the property we just created. Basically, we're telling Notion, hey, take this number and round it to the nearest whole number. When you hit enter, you'll see Notion automatically rounds 3.4 down to 3 and rounds 3.6 up to 4. The round function is straightforward. It's like when you're unsure whether to tip the scale up or down, and you let math decide based on how close you are to the next whole number. But sometimes you need more control. Let's add another formula property. And in the editor, type floor, number. The floor function always rounds down, no matter what decimal your number has. Imagine dropping a ball. No matter how close it gets to the next step, it will always land on the lower one. So 3.4 and 3.6 both become 3 here. This is super useful for things like budgeting or tracking units, where you never want to overestimate. Next, let's explore the opposite. Add another formula property and type seal number. The seal function will round your number up to the next whole unit every time, just like stepping up onto the next step no matter how little distance you need. So both 3.4 and 3.6 become 4. Use seal when you want to ensure you're always covering your bases, like planning seats in a room where you don't want to fall short. And that's really all there is to it. With these three formulas, round, floor, and seal, you can handle almost any rounding scenario in Notion, and your numbers will always be neat, consistent, and ready for analysis. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to set up the column references correctly. Notion formulas are very forgiving once you get the hang of them. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Subscribe to stay up to date with more practical Notion tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy organizing!